Hello, welcome back to the channel, people. Nick from Nova Adventures, just out on a little Kettle test. We did use her a couple of weeks ago. There she is, looking down the estuary of Abertavy, Cardigan. Haven't fired her up yet. So as you might know, we've still got a bit of an electrical issue with Nova. It's Easter Saturday, so tomorrow, Easter Sunday, we are hoping to try and fathom out what's going on with her and hopefully back on the road. If not, into the garage next week. Anyway, so on to tonight. This is where we are. So we're on the bank of the River Tavy in the estuary. As you can see, if I pan round, time's about 6:30 now, so we are losing some light. Sunset about 8 o'clock tonight, and as I pan round, then up that way is Abertavy or Cardigan, and then pan round and show you where we've set up. We've set up on a nice big log here. There we are, all the kit there, and the kettle there, ready to be fired up. And then there's all our fuel ready and waiting. And as you see, when you have these kettles, if you don't want to take the firewood with you, there's plenty here along the shoreline. It's nice and dry, hopefully, that we can use. So anyway, I'm going to get the kettle fired up now and make a brew. In case you don't know then, guys, Kettle is primarily a water heater for boiling water. It's got a double walled skin, and as you see there, it's got a hole through the center, a void through the center, which acts as a chimney. So this one is the Scout version, and it came with, I think it's called the Adventure Kit. It came with 2 plates. They're not massive, but they're good. 2 plates. This is called the hobo stove, which when you've not boiling water, you've got your fire pit there, that goes on top there, and you can cook on there. So that's called the hobo stove. And then it also came with a pot stand, which you put together and put on top there. And again, if you want to cook anything, the pan can sit on top there. But this does double up. If I can sort it out, as a hobo base stand. So if I wanted to, if I was on a surface that like a bench or something, just trying to find somewhere, right. Yeah, so if you're on a bench or something, you could then fit the fire pit on there like that. So it's dual purpose. There we are, it's sitting down there now. I've came away from it, sitting there like that. Really useful. Yeah, we've got our fuel there. So anyway, you pour water into here. You've always got to make sure this is full of water if you're using that. And we put water in there, and then we put this green stopper on there. This is the one that's got the whistling stopper and not the cork or the orange one, which you're not allowed to, you're not meant to leave in because there's a lot of pressure and they pop out. But this one, it whistles once it's boiled. What else do we have? So there we have 2 cups. There we are, there's one there. 35 milliliter cup, stainless steel version. This is, you can get a aluminium version, but I didn't want that. And then you get the bigger cup with the lip protectors as well, and that's 500 ml. You see that? And then you get saucepan like that, and then this obviously then doubles as a frying pan as well as a lid. And you've got this little attachment here which is a grabber. You just put that on the side and grab that like that. Really useful bit of kit, this. And then lastly on this kit we've got a cooking grate. So I'm doing burgers tonight, but I might not use this. But if you wanted to have like a barbecue effect, you've obviously got your fire in there. You put that on top there, and then you can cook on there. So guys, that is the Kelly kettle in less than 4 minutes, and we're going to get her fired up. We've now filled the Kelly kettle full of water. We've put 1 litre of water in. As I said earlier, this is the Scout version, which is the medium-sized one. Holds 1.2 litre of water, but you never fill it up to the top, obviously, because of the water bubbling. So she's ready to be lit now, and let's get on. We've got the fire going. I'm just going to put the Kelly kettle on top now. And when you put this on, or you take this off, you make sure you hold it at 45 degrees like that, because you will burn yourself. There we are. That's on now. You can see how much flames are coming out the top there now. So that's going to boil away. You can see it's raging there. I'm not going to get the camera too close. So there's the chimney acting. Very good. And she's boiling away. So what you do then is you can feed, if I get out of the smoke, you feed the fuel now down there. And all you do then is you just keep feeding in there like that. Watch your eyebrows, guys. There we are. So it takes about a few minutes to boil, but I'm not in any hurry. So anyway, I'm going to get on. As you can see, we've got fire down there. Fire down below. So you can put the fuel in there if you so wish, but people do find it easier to put it in there. So what a location to have the Kelly kettle going. There she is. What a view. And the good thing with these Kelly kettles is if you've got the wood, you can use wood, and even we use these as well. I'll show you, pine cones. Where are we? There we are. Use them as well. She's not boiling just yet, but she's not far off. You can see the steam coming out of the green plunger, so we're not far away. Lovely spot here. Oh, here she goes. There we are. We're going to take her off for you now. We'll show you how to take her off. Again, 90 degrees to the Kelly kettle. Done. So we are going to let that cool off. And I will show you how we pour the water out from there. So I'm going to try and put this on now without getting burnt. There we are. So I'm going to get my burgers on now. Use that one as a prodding stick. to do is to make sure that we're getting some air through the bottom there. There we are. Stick some oil in there, plenty in that. Don't normally cook with that amount of oil. And then our burgers from the local butcher. And we'll bring you back when we make some coffee. Alright, so you can see we've got our Kettle cup up there with some coffee in it. And we have the Kettle right there, holding it still at the 90-degree angle. So all you do then is you take, if I can get it in there, you take the plunger off there very carefully, and then holding the plunger like this, all you do is you pour the water in the cup. Hopefully you can see that, just like that, and it's easy as that. We'll put the stopper back in, go and put that over the other side and wait for our coffee to cool down. So just an apology if you are vegetarian or vegan and you are watching the video, I do apologise. There we are. As you can see, the burgers are cooking very nicely, and I've got these aluminium army, I don't know what you call them, pans, and the first time I cooked in it, the burgers I used were very low fat burgers, and they stuck, and they tasted all right, but they didn't look the best. So yeah, there we are. So, look at that for a view, guys, on the banks of the River Tavy in Cardigan, Abertavy. Well, we're actually in Goobert, just off a coastal path, and there is a sty down to here. The main road you can see running along in the distance over there, and then out towards the point out there is a caravan park just out there, and then out to the estuary over there. And the other side of the water, which is over there, is Patch. Poppet, sorry. This is Patch this side, Poppet the other side. That's in Pembrokeshire. You can see the sun steadily going down now. It's 7:15, still quite a bit of light. And yeah, I'm going to enjoy this one.
About the good times. I've been sleeping through the long nights. I've been shining in the sunlight. I've been thinking how I'm alright. There's a reason for my feelings. There's a reason why I'm healing. Yeah, I feel higher than the ceiling. All because of you. You and I were so sweet, so sweet. Talking till we
Alrighty then, here we are. I think we're just about done. I did say this plates are small, just about big enough for a burger bun on there. They are the brioche ones. So I'm going to get on, dish up, have a photo before we start to eat, and then I'm going to get on and eat. Not sure how long we're going to be here tonight. Probably watch the sun go down. I'm going to have my usual pint of 0% lager shandy. Pushing that boat out again. Well, not that one because it's stuck in the sand. Not that one. And not that blue one you can see over there. There's a nice little sign on there saying firewood. Anyway, I'm going to shut up for now, make my supper, and I'm going to enjoy. Thanks for being with me, guys. So there we have it. Food is ready. I'd like to say caramelized red onion, but I think the better description would be burnt to a cinder red onion. So anyway, so there's our burgers and our buns and our pint of no alcohol lager shandy, and that is the view we're going to be eating with tonight. Better than sitting at home watching the telly. I'm going to get on with my food now, and we'll catch you a bit later. Smoking. Tide has come in, as you can see now. That's the view we have out towards the sea, and I can hear and see a boat over there just come in on the full tide. Over there, look, you can just see the lights, and then heading in towards Cardigan over there. Still fairly warm tonight, and then we've got some embers going here down to charcoal. And just remember my motto, guys: if you leave a mess, you'll spoil it for the rest. There is a lot of rubbish here because it's the estuary, and it's amazing how much plastic and whatnot here, kind of destroying, but I know I'm not going to add to it. Might take a few pieces home. There's a piece of plastic, as you can see there. Might whip that in my bag and take that home with me. And there we are. I'm just going to watch the sunset now and make a cup of coffee and have my Yorkie bar. So the last boil of the night, guys. That's it. I'm going to have a cup of coffee and my Yorkie bar. Sun's gone down, almost dark, so that's it. Hope you've enjoyed this one. If you have, please like and subscribe and hit that notification bell for more videos. Bye for now.